Welcome to RODI AVMS. While the uses are broad across a number of industries, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to focus on its use in law enforcement and specifically around the intelligent audio-video speech mining. As I log in, you'll first note that this is a browser, which means there's no software running on this machine. It'll run on PCs, Macs, even the mobile devices, the Droids, iPhones, iPads, etc. The tabs across the top are the major ones that we deal with in the functional areas, and I'll start here with upload. This is where you're going to upload the media. This will look a lot like you do on your current system probably, or maybe just in YouTube, where you put in the date and time, the title, description, author and publisher, that type of information. Over on the right side you'll see the topics and departments, and this is all customizable for your own specific needs. But I can also put classifications to these documents, or these media files in this case, where now only certain people can have access to them. For example, internal affairs may lock things down so they are the only ones with access to files. Or homicide may take anything with a shooting and lock it down to just that department. These are all very extensive and customizable for your specific requirements. The supported video and audio formats are listed here on the left. These are just the major ones, but there's a number of them that are beyond this that are in some of the proprietary systems that are out there today. You grab the file, upload it, and then it will show up in this records file. This is a quick and easy way to look at the records that are in your system. And from here, we can do things like sort based on the headings, the typical things you could do in a database. The important thing to note here, though, is we have a very easy way to look at things, and we can pull from different sources. These might have interview room videos. They might have in-car video. They could have patrolman's voice reporting that they use to put in their reports. You could have 911 calls, wiretaps. They can all come into here. The value of having them all in the same place becomes evident when we go to search, because now you might expect me to be able to do things like title contains, or topics, or this topic, or let's locate it by date, and so forth. But the unique aspect here is really around looking at the words that were spoken. They don't even have to be inside of the indexing information or the keywords that somebody manually entered. Even if they were just spoken, we can find them. For example, I know I have some Homeland Security. I put in Bin Laden, and sure enough, there's two files in here where Bin Laden's name was actually spoken. In fact, in this first one, it was spoken 15 times. So I can grab that one, and you'll see that what happens is on the left side, a player shows up, and on the right side, we have those specific instances. I don't have to listen to a 4-hour interview to find the words I'm looking for. I just grab the one I want, and a player on the left side will start playing it right there, right where I was looking for it. Think of the time savings involved just right there. And I can go and say, that's not the one I was looking for, let's go grab this one, this might be the one. Now you take that power and the saving power there, and you put it across multiple input sources. Again, this could be a 911 call, this could be an interview room, and all of a sudden you've connected dots that have never been connected before. The other thing we'll see here is on the transcription tab. We can take these video files, these audio files, and automatically generate a transcript. Now, no people have touched this. This is just automatically generated within the software. From here we can also note, by the way, that we're using closed captioning. We created this automatically. Now, if I come down here to the translation tool, I can change the language even. All of a sudden I have a French transcript just like that. And I can even go up to the top if I wanted to show off and say, I'd like some French subtitles please, and there they go. You can see the amazing power of what this can do for your department and your investigations as you're trying to isolate information. You can connect dots that have never been connected before. You can look for patterns or anomalies. The saving power here is amazing, and we'd love to tell you more about it. www.dsg-inc.net. Thank you.